Hello everyone! Today we're making halter tops, so grab your scissors. For these tutorials you will need a couple of t-shirts, a pair of sharp scissors, a ruler, and something to mark your clothing with. The first tutorial is a collared halter. Put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want the bottom of the shirt to be. Lay your shirt down flat and draw a line from the outside edge of the collar at the top of the shirt down to just below the sleeve on both sides. Then draw a line across the shirt at your marked bottom. Cut off the sleeves following your lines. Then cutting through just the top layer of fabric, cut across the shirt. Now flip your shirt over and it's time to draw the ties. Mark the center of the shirt near the bottom, then draw a curved line from just under the sleeve down towards the bottom center of the shirt. Then draw another curved line from where you cut across the shirt down to the bottom center of the shirt. Do the same on the other side. Now cut along these lines through just the back layer of fabric and cut around the back of the collar. Put your shirt back on by putting your head through the collar and tying the ties behind your back. The next tutorial is a V-neck halter. Put your shirt on inside out and mark where you want the bottom of your shirt to be, and then mark how deep you want the V-neck to go. Lay your shirt down flat and draw the V-neck by drawing a triangle from the edges of the collar down to your mark. Then mark 3 inches away from the edge of the collar at the top of the shirt on both sides. Draw a line from those marks down to the bottom of the sleeves. Then draw a line across where you marked the new bottom of your shirt. Now cut off the sleeves following your lines. Then cut the V-neck through the top layer of fabric only. Again, cutting through just the top layer of fabric, cut across the new bottom of the shirt. Flip your shirt over and draw the straps by drawing a deep V going about halfway down the shirt from either side of the collar. Then connect the outer edges of the top of the shirt to the bottom of the deep V. Now to draw the ties. Draw another deep V from the bottom of the sleeve down to near the bottom center of the shirt. Then connect where you made the cut across the shirt down to the bottom of the last deep V. Cut through just the back layer of fabric along these lines. Put your shirt back on by draping the straps over your shoulders and tying the ties behind your back. And then tying the straps behind your neck. And that's everything. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, or if you have any questions, be sure to let me know. And if you're looking for more content, check out my other social media, all at Anorthidol. You can subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video right over here. Thanks for watching.